We've all seen those epic movie scenes. A massive volcano erupts, spewing ash and smoke, and suddenly the whole world is plunged into a volcanic winter. It makes you wonder, right? With all that power, are volcanoes the real culprits behind climate change? Many people think so. They argue that one big eruption can release more CO2 than humans do in years. But what if I told you that's one of the biggest myths about our planet? Let's break it down. Yes, volcanoes do release greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide. When magma rises from deep within the earth, it brings dissolved gases with it. During an eruption, these gases escape into the atmosphere. The 2010 eruption in Iceland, for example, released 30,000 tons of CO2 per day. That sounds like a lot, and it is. But here's the crucial part. Perspective. How does that volcanic output compare to what we humans are doing? Well, globally, human activities like burning fossil fuels for our cars, electricity, and factories release around 100 million tons of CO2 every single day. Let's put that side by side. All the volcanoes on Earth, both on land and under the sea, emit about 200 million tons of CO2 per year. In contrast, humanity emits over 35 billion tons per year. That means human activity releases at least 100 times more carbon dioxide than all the volcanoes combined. It's not even a close competition. But wait, what about the cooling effect? It's true that large volcanic eruptions can have a temporary cooling effect on the climate. This happens because they blast huge amounts of sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere. This gas forms tiny reflective particles, called aerosols, that block some sunlight from reaching the Earth's surface. The massive eruption of Mount Pinatubo in 1991, for instance, cooled the planet by about half a degree Celsius for over a year. However, this effect is short. The aerosols fall out of the atmosphere within a few years, and the climate quickly returns to its previous warming trend. So, while volcanoes can cause a brief dip in global temperatures, they don't change the long-term warming trajectory driven by the massive and continuous buildup of human-caused greenhouse gases. The science is clear. While volcanoes are incredibly powerful forces of nature, they are just a bit player in the story of modern climate change. To mine role, for better or worse, is ours. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more myth-busting science. See you next time.